Hello everyone and welcome back to the series where we cover the IGCSE Enterprise Syllabus step by step. If you haven't already, make sure to watch the other chapters that we have already covered in the last videos because today we are going to go through Unit 9, Help and Support. Let's get right into it. There are two main types of sources for help and support, formal and informal. Formal sources are structured and regulated organizations or individuals that provide professional assistance and services to businesses. These include government and business agencies, consultants, financial institutions, charities, teachers, business networks, and other entrepreneurs. Let's go through each one. Government and business agencies. Government and business agencies are the best for businesses that need financial support, help with compliance, or regulatory guidance. For example, they might provide grants, trainings, or advice on meeting legal requirements. Consultants. Consultants are ideal when a business requires specialized expertise or strategic advice. This could be in areas like finance, marketing, or operations. Consultants bring professional knowledge and external perspectives. Financial institutions. Financial institutions are essential for businesses that need funding or financial planning advice. This could be banks providing loans or guidance on managing accounts. Financial institutions support both startups and established businesses. Charities. Charities are particularly suitable for nonprofits, social enterprises, or businesses focused on community impact. They may provide funding, resources, or training tailored for organizations with social goals. Teachers. Teachers are helpful for startup and small businesses because they provide foundational knowledge, education, and personal development. They are especially important when entrepreneurs are still learning about business. Business networks. Business networks are perfect for businesses looking to expand, build partnerships, or gain visibility within their industry. Networks connect entrepreneurs to potential clients, suppliers, or collaborators. Other entrepreneurs. Other entrepreneurs can be a valuable source of mentorship, collaboration, and real-world insights. Experienced business owners often share lessons they've learned from their own journeys. Now, informal sources of help and support. Informal sources are personal connections that provide advice and encouragement. They are not professional services, but they can be just as important. These include friends, peers, and family. Friends and peers are suitable for offering emotional support and practical advice because they often understand the challenges of entrepreneurship. They can provide encouragement and share personal experiences. Family. Family can also play a key role. They might provide financial support, encouragement, and advice based on trust and their own experiences. Having supportive family members can help entrepreneurs stay motivated and confident. I've listed the suitability for each source in this slide so that it's easy for you to note down. Anyways, in summary, entrepreneurs can receive support from both formal and informal sources. Formal sources provide structured professional assistance such as finance, training, and strategic advice, while informal sources provide encouragement, practical tips, and sometimes even financial help. That brings us to the end of Unit 9. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.